Material master. We actually had a look at materials management, materials master, material, and from here we accessed material. But let us check another material, the material that we created for a company, for a plant, per plant. Let's see what was that. So we actually so we will see a plant material by class or material type. Let's first see by class. So we are trying to search for, but we didn't find any. Let's go back. Material by group. Okay, let's find a material by group. So material group will be okay, material group. Raw material group, and our was PK raw. Okay, this is the material group. PK raw, start search. Okay, what we made was this one, wrought iron 30 meters rod 702039, and continue. Okay, ZNN, no, AA42. We don't have storage location. AA42. Okay, PK raw material group. This is what we actually made. Purchasing. Base unit of measure and ordering unit. It can be different. Source list, yes, it is part of the source list. We'll study what is source list. Plant data, unit of issue, unit of order, and unit of issue can be different, and unit of measure will be different. Okay. Storage conditions, we'll see this in WM. Shelf life, you don't need shelf life for wrought iron. It's already very durable. Unit of measure, unit of issue, feet. Post to inspection, stock documentation required. We are not filling this right now. QM, no, not right now, because QM is another domain. Valuation class, this is very important, 3000. Base unit of measure is meters. And we have company code currency, which is PKR, and per meter, we are actually giving a standard price, which is based on moving average, which is V. Okay, this is S is standard price, V is moving average price. That's how you can actually change your material through MM02 save. No changes were made. We will use this material ahead. Okay. So that was material master. Now, what we'll actually see will be a major part in purchasing. In purchasing, we'll start with source listing, info records, quota arrangement, vendor management, then RFQ, outline, purchase requisition, purchase order. Okay. And then we will actually go for inventory management. There is a lot to be seen in this. Goods movement with MIGO, material document, reservation, periodic processing, environment, material documents, archive, reason for movement, subcontracting. We'll also see this. Okay. Logistics invoice with Miro. Okay. And further processing, release block invoices, authorization. Uh, we'll also see authorization as well. GRIR, account maintenance. This is also very important. Okay. So physical inventory, then we'll also see physical inventory documents, how we'll create these ones, inventory count, and so on. So these are very interesting areas. Service entry sheet, yes, we'll also see this as well. But first, let's go to our configuration module, which is how to access configuration, SPRO, IMG. So this is where we start our configuration. Enterprise structure, this is the first part where we create and define our plant. Okay, plant is the first node. Define plant, new entries, new entries, CAS, let's say KZMI. Okay, and then industries. Okay, so this is KZMI will be our plant name. Save, or let's do it another way. Okay, ZIL, ZIL Industries, ZIL Industries, save, AE, enter. New. Okay, this will be ZIL EWM config. So you can access this node. I will show you how to access this node. ZIL Industries, everything will be stored here. So we are defining a plant. We have defined a plant. Okay, we have given the plant name, and it is in the country AE. Nothing more has been added, just a plant. This is how you create a plant of your company. Okay, ZIL Industries, ZIL Industries AE. Okay, changes have been saved. Okay, okay, we can also copy and delete plant. Okay, we can copy, let's say for example you're setting up plant anywhere around your business. So from ZIL to any plant, let's say Liz, continue, and we can copy that. Okay, do you want to really transport? Yes, number ranges, we want this. Copy, copy. So multiple plants can be copied from a main plant. Plant ZIL copied to LIZ. So the same plant has been copied to Liz as well. So I go to define plant again and position Liz. Now Liz is my Liz Industries. And this is not in AE, Liz Industries, let's say KSA. KSA. Okay, so double click. If I go to country, AE is hard coded over here. I cannot change it. Okay, but I want to change it. So if I want to change it, copy, delete, check plant, define for plant for cross system goods flow. Okay, this is basically for define cross system. Cross system is for plant like our, it needs a system where availability check will be based on batches where from another system, our plant inventory will be updated. Okay. Okay. So this was plant. Then valuation level is nothing but valuation area is a plant. Self-explanatory. Define location. We want to define the location of our plant and new entries. Plant is ZIL. Location is Sharjah. ZIL in trees. Liz is Dubai, or let's say RYD, Riyadh, Liz Industries. Okay, so ZIL, this is AE, enter, and this is for Liz, this is Saudi Arabia, SA, enter. Okay, it needs a postal code. Postal code will be, okay, save, save. Easy. I'm going very slow so that you can understand everything. Division, of course, division can be your business vertical. I'm not configuring it right now. Material management, maintain storage location. Plant, ZIL. This is ZIL, new entries. So in plant ZIL, I want a storage location for Sharjah and Dubai. Save. Simple. Maintain purchase organization. Very important. Very important. Purchase organization, ZIL, will keep it central. You can have multiple for multiple material groups that we have seen in material management. Okay. ZIL, purchase, org, save. Okay. Okay. Material management. Now we've done this assignment. We have defined all. Now assignment. Logistics, assign plant to company code. Okay. Now this is important. We need to make a company code. So we go to definition, financial accounting, define company code. Edit company code data. New entries. Zero. Zero Industries Dubai. Dubai AE currency AED English. Save. Enter. Okay. Done. Okay. I have created company code. Okay. This is company code is basically unit, your enterprise, which will run your plants. So I will assign plant to company code. Very easy, very simple. Zilo, Zil. Name of plant, Zil Industries. Name of company, Zilo Industries Dubai. Save. Okay. So this is enough for today.